dentistry on every level, local, state, and national, makes me a better dentist. Our patients are our life and our livelihood, and we appreciate every single patient that walks in that door. And these are our family, and we treat them that way.
I'm amazed because I know that even my wife had, they literally went in and broke a hand that at one point and reset it. And I wonder if Invisalign could have been one of those things. They didn't have it back then, but you wonder if that could be helpful.
You wonder. Invisalign has been around for about 15, maybe even 20 years now, and was originally designed for just simple issues, simple crowding or closing spaces. It's gotten much more advanced with research and development and product development. So it started out simple, but it's now a very important part of my practice, that's for sure.
So these little trays, they're going for, you said 2 weeks, so they're coming back quite frequently,
no,
or what do you do?
Thank you for bringing that up, Patrick. No, we monitor each case about every 6 weeks. We give the patient 3 trays, and they wear each tray for 2 weeks. They come back in. When I start an Invisalign case, I have the finished product on the computer. In other words, I straighten the patient's teeth digitally on the computer and set a button when I see what I like, and then I monitor the case and make sure the computer and the patient are following along and things are progressing the way they should. So we give the trays out every 3 or 4 at a time.
Really? Now, one of the other things is the importance of the standard that you use. I understand there's a dimensionality that you're trying to reach for.
Well, we're one of the few practices in North Texas that digitally scans the patient's mouth as opposed to taking an impression. You've all been at the dentist and had them, fill a tray with a putty and put it in your mouth and, time it, and we no longer. We have a digital scanner that makes a computer image, which is way more accurate than the impressions, and so the outcome it's a better outcome, better fit trays, more predictable outcome for the patient.